welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about OKX wallet, and in this video we are going to connect our wallet or connect our faces with MetaMask. Yes, if you want to use your OKX wallet with MetaMask, so you must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here I have uploaded many videos about OKX wallet. If you have not watched, simple go to my YouTube channel and watch all these videos which is I upload on this YouTube channel. Okay, and today we are going to discuss how we can use our OKX wallet with MetaMask with the seed phrases. If you have seed phrases, that's fine. If you have not, so in this video I'm giving you information how to backup and how to use your seed phrases with MetaMask. So let's start our video. You can see here right top corner OKX wallet shown in front of me. This is icon. I'm going to enter my password here and just simple click on unlock button. Now you can see here the wallet is open in front of me, and in last video we have import our wallet with the private key, so there will shown only private key. Today we are going to find the private key, or simply open file which is I have save my phrases, open and go to the file, open file and desktop. As you can see here, the phrases shown here. This is my seed phrases of my wallet. I just simply copy these seed phrases because I need to use this seed phrases with MetaMask. Going to Control C, and if you want to get the backup of your seed phrases, simple go to the your wallet or go to the setting button. After check the seed phrases and private key, and you can see here there is shown only private key because last video we have uh, import Ethereum wallet with the private key, so that there is shown only one option, only private key, not a seed phrases. You can see here, so you can use or you can back up your seed phrases from this option. I have uploaded already video about how to find the backup. You can watch this video. Don't risk you lose your crypto, backup seed phrases tutorial, you must watch. Okay, so I open my notepad file and save my copy my all phrases. Now going to open new tab and type here MetaMask, enter. You can see here they shown metamask.io. This is the official website. Before going to download MetaMask, you must cross check you have going to open authenticated link or not. You can see here the metamask.io. This is official website. Don't open .net, .com. All link are is phishing websites. Okay, if you use this, so your fund will be lost. Simple going to click on it, and now the MetaMask main page is open in front of me, where we can easily download MetaMask. Install, start enjoying the convenience of tracking. You can see here view MetaMask portfolio, but I need to download, so going to check the option. Where is option is available here for download? If not, then I will directly open and feature MetaMask. Going to cross check the view portfolio. MetaMask portfolio, connect MetaMask or connect the MetaMask option available here. But I need to download. So what will I do? I just simple type here MetaMask extension. Okay, simple click on it, MetaMask extension. Now I have already downloaded in my browser, so going to first of all remove because I need to give proper information, and now click on add to Google Chrome, add extension. Simple wait when you're going to complete the download. You can see here the downloading is start. It maybe take some time. Just some more time. Yes, you can see here many shortcut. Now MetaMask extension is open in front of me, and simple click on I agree, and there is two options: create a new wallet, import existing wallet. So I have my seed phrases already told you. I just simply click on import on existing wallet. Read all information before going to import your wallet. Okay, click on agree, and now you can use the options 12 word, 15 word, 21 words, 18 word, and 24 words. MetaMask cannot recover your password. You will use secret recovery phrases to validate your ownership. So simple is that. I have copy my phrases and going to paste here. You can see here my all phrases paste here. If I'm going to click on view, you can see here my first phrases and my last phrases. And also keep in your mind, please don't use these phrases or these private key because this video is only for education purpose. If you will use this, so your fund will be lost. Okay, many users watch this video, so simple click on confirm, and now need to enter my password here, and simple again enter my password here. Simple click on understand, and now import my wallet. Got it? Next, next, done. Not right. You can see here we have successfully import my wallet in MetaMask, and I can use my OKX wallet with MetaMask with my seed phrases. If you have your seed phrases, then you can easily use your wallet with any wallet. Yes, any wallet like MetaMask, XODS, Atomic wallets. Many wallets is available here. So, if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallet. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.